What happens when we eat? What happens to our food when we eat it? Imagine you have a nice, delicious, juicy apple, and you've taken a nice bite. After you chew and swallow the apple, how does our body use our food? When we eat, our food travels through our body, and we turn it into poop. The first step to getting food into our bodies is taking bites and chewing. Our teeth chomp our food, making it into little itty-bitty pieces, and it mixes with our saliva. Another word for saliva? Spit. Once we have a glob of food and spit, we swallow it. It brings our food into our digestive tract. After we chew our food in our mouth, it goes down our esophagus. It travels down even further into our stomach. The food then travels through small intestines. Don't be fooled by the name small intestines. This tube can be the size of a Lunia cross and up to 20 feet long. That could be taller than a giraffe. Next, our food goes through a tube called the colon. The colon is much thicker than the small intestine, and it reaches about 5 feet long. That's about the length of your parents' bed. Next, the food goes through our rectum and then comes out our anus in the form of poop. As our glob of food and spit travels through the tubes of our body and our digestive tract, our body begins to break it down. Our bodies are experts of taking the good stuff out of the food, like energy, and vitamins, and many other great things, which makes us nice and strong and healthy. Which is why it's important to eat healthy foods. But everything we eat isn't going to be absorbed by our bodies. There's going to be some things that are left over, and this is what comes out as poop. It's really great to know how our body turns food into energy and keeps us really healthy. But what happens to other things when they eat? Cats, dinosaurs, even your pet goldfish. After they eat, they also poop. It's pretty cool to learn how our body uses our food. Thanks for listening and learning with me.